Did you know that sweet, delicious, nutritious, satisfying fruits could actually lower your blood sugar? It's true. Fruits are whole foods, high in unrefined carbohydrates, and they're perfect to help reverse insulin resistance, stabilize blood sugar levels, and reverse type 2 diabetes. Today, we are going to discuss 9 tropical fruits for diabetes. But before we get into discussing these super fun and delicious fruits, I want to address the elephant in the room. Aren't these fruits going to spike my blood sugar? You might be asking yourself that. The answer is yes, if you are living with insulin resistance and you don't follow some specific guidelines. In order to enjoy these fruits without spiking, you must follow the following steps. Number 1, begin lowering your overall fat intake. Keep your total fat grams per day under 30 grams. Number 2, it's essential to eat these fruits with leafy greens or non-starchy vegetables. This is the best way to blunt a blood glucose spike, especially when you're super insulin resistant and just starting out with the Mastering Diabetes method. Number 3, enjoy these fruits slowly. Take your time, savor every bite, and chew thoroughly. Number 4, make sure you're moving your body consistently. If you can walk after each meal, that's fantastic, but that's not practical at every meal, so just make sure you're getting consistent movement in your life.
This video was just a snippet of a much more in-depth discussion. Click on the link on the screen to check out the full-length episode. Now, the science behind health is overly complicated, unfortunately, but getting healthy doesn't have to be. Visit masteringdiabetes.org/start. Answer some questions about yourself and schedule a free consultation to talk with somebody on our team who's going to show you exactly how we've transformed the lives of thousands of people using the Mastering Diabetes method. We have a limited number of spots available, and that's why it's imperative to find a good fit.